Hey guys, so this is a little clip of some snow falling the other day, but in this video you'll see some autumn trees from October when I went on a hike with a friend of mine, and I brought you guys along with me to share some nature with you and adventure together. So here is a nature-y video that I put together. So my friend and I decided to take a free shuttle bus that takes us places specifically to see some fall colors and enjoy the nature, which I thought is really great and helpful. So I just picked up my friend, parked in a parking lot, and then we headed over to the bus stop. And then we arrived at our destination and went hiking. I also do want to say that it was pretty windy and cold, so you'll probably hear the wind here and there, but it was still a breath of fresh air. Anyways, I hope you enjoy.
The cave. I think that was like the ground.
Yeah.
Wait, there's only one trail, right? Ooh, more water.
We're going down, not up. Yeah, you can develop a little bit.
Look at that one, the really sad red
My left sock. Oh, it's wet.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Jeez. Oh, I remember this.
You look too cool now.
I know, right?
Oh, so cute.
On my sleeve for the world to see. I'm only human, so please just pray for me. Say la vie, say la vie, yeah, yeah, yeah. I showed up early to my day job, I said